Hi all, today I am going to discuss a previously asked questions from DHA, HAT, MOH and Prometric. This is the question. A client just has been admitted to the surgical ward following thyroidectomy. Which assessment is the priority in this client? This is the question. So four options. First option, hypoglycemia. Second option, respiratory distress. Third option, level of hoarseness. And last option, edema at the surgical site. You know that to answer this question, you want to first know what are the complications following thyroidectomy. Usually after thyroidectomy, there may be two complications. One is hoarseness of voice. Hoarseness of voice means there is a change in voice due to laryngeal nerve damage while doing thyroidectomy. And second complication is hypocalcemia, which occurs because of accidental damage of parathyroid gland during thyroidectomy. So in these four options, you may be confused which options you want to click. Maybe hypoglycemia is not related to this complication after thyroidectomy. So we can delete that. Remaining is level of hoarseness, respiratory distress and edema at the surgical site. Even though these three are the complications related after thyroidectomy, how you can prioritize this answer? In this question they have asked which assessment is the priority. Priority means in these three options, in these four options, which one you will be giving first priority. So you will be confused whether I want to click edema at the surgical site or level of hoarseness or respiratory distress. After thyroidectomy, there is a chance for accidental damage to the parathyroid gland, which can lead to severe hypocalcemia, which results in severe laryngeal spasm. Due to severe laryngeal spasm, the patient cannot take breath, which can lead to what? Respiratory distress, which is a serious complication after thyroidectomy. So, what is the answer? Respiratory distress. Even though there is an edema at the surgical site and level of hoarseness, that is not a serious complication or it is not a priority. So, respiratory distress is the answer. I hope that everyone understood this. If you like this video, please share. Thank you all. See you all with another video.